Hi, my name is Morgan Thorne and I'm a BDSM educator. Thank you for your interest in this class about enemas, whether they are punishment or pleasure. In this class, we're going to learn how to use them for both. We'll talk about why people are into this kind of play in the first place. This is a personal kink of mine, so I can give you some good insights there. We're going to talk about safety, what is safe to use in an enema and as an enema container. We will talk about frequency of enemas because that is something that is a little controversial. We'll talk about the appropriate temperature for an enema, how an enema works, where the fluid goes in the body, and the importance of positioning. In fact, I'm going to show you 9 different positions that you can try out, and of course there is one that you should absolutely avoid. We'll talk about how to deal with complications such as gas pain that can happen while you are administering or shortly after you've administered an enema. We'll talk about all kinds of different equipment that you can use. I love gear, so there's all kinds of fun gear that you can use and buy. We'll talk about different enema recipes and their effects. In fact, I will give you a number of different recipes that are safe to use that you can try out as well. Thank you for checking out this little video, and I hope to see you in class very soon.